Anyway, everybody, so welcome back to my channel. I'm at my store Hot Topic, and I wanted to sing with you guys with this Rapunzel doll, as you can see. Trying to turn it. As you can see, here's the Rapunzel doll, and in this box you can turn her. You can see she goes around Flynn, around the trees. You can see, looks really cool. And then you see more Elsa dolls, Frozen. Bunch of Frozen that they have. Then here's a picture of Rapunzel poster right there. And then here is the Elsa honor right there. So yeah. So that is all I wanted to share with you guys, and stay tuned for the videos. Stay tuned for the videos, ideas, and stuff. And hopefully see my friend on the next video, probably soon. So anyways, hope you like this channel. Please keep watching this channel. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe this channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys real soon. So have a good day. So bye.